Welcome to Vanguard Automotive, where luxury meets audio excellence. In today's video, we'll take you through the process of installing a carbon fiber body kit for a 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLS 600 and exterior bodywork. This was a first for us, and we were over-the-top excited to partner with Larte Design to get this custom kit installed on this Maybach. Let's get started. Here's our canvas, a 2023 Mercedes-Benz Maybach GLS 600, a stunning high-performance vehicle. Before we dive in, let's review what this Larte body kit consists of. All materials and fastening elements are certified German TÜV Nord standards, and every detail of the body kit is handmade. The body kit emphasizes the status and charisma of this car, making it even more exclusive and eye-catching. In addition, this customer wanted to fully customize this vehicle's exterior and lights. This custom build included a tailored blackout package, X-Pel paint protection, ExoShield windshield tint with heat protection, and paint correction. At Vanguard Automotive Design, we blend luxury and innovation to create automotive experiences like no other. Thanks for joining us on this journey to audio excellence. For inquiries about our services or to transform your vehicle, visit our website or contact us today. Drive in style. Drive with Vanguard Automotive Design.